Hi, today is day 5 of my Ayurvedic rejuvenation treatments in South India. And I have my daughter here with me today actually. We both got to receive nourishing Ayurvedic treatments. Today my treatments were, it's called Ksheraseka, which is full body Abhyanga. And then they pour the pitchers of warm herbal milk all over the body. So I had this a few days ago. I didn't think I was going to get it again, but they wanted me to even drop in deeper to this experience. So I had that, and then later in the afternoon, they called me back for Padabhyanga, the warm oil foot massage. And then my daughter also received a facial today. So we're feeling super thankful after so many years of sharing these treatments with my clients. I'm so happy to get to experience, especially in a place like this. Prajna Kutira is a very authentic Ayurvedic center. The doctors have been practicing Ayurveda for generations, Dr. Krishnamurthy and his wife, Dr. Purnima Krishnamurthy. So we're going to be spending another week or so in India with family and friends, going out to a couple more villages and coming back just in time for New Year. So I hope you've enjoyed these last few days of documenting this experience. If you get a chance to come to India, I highly recommend it. Feel free to send me a message if you want any recommendations. Blessings.